breath or not able to go about your daily activities. And it might not be just the age. It could be one of the symptoms of lung diseases. And COPD or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is one of the common lung diseases that can make your breathing hard. And if not treated, it can lead to lung failure. So what is COPD? What are the symptoms of COPD? Is it curable? Let's try to understand this in detail. What exactly is COPD? In simple terms, it means there is obstruction to the air entry into the lungs over a long period of time. When we breathe in air, air travels through trachea, bronchi and bronchioles, and these are tube-like structures which will end in balloon-like sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are elastic bags, meaning they expand when we breathe in air and they close when we breathe out air. Smoking is considered one of the most common causes of COPD. And in COPD, we observe two changes. One is in the alveoli. The elasticity is lost and also the walls of alveoli are disrupted, leading to air trapping inside the lungs and also decreased oxygen absorption when compared to a normal individual. This leads to emphysema. Another change occurs in the tube-like structures or the bronchioles, where there is increased mucus production and also the wall of the bronchi and bronchioles thicken, obviously leading to narrow air passage. And this leads to chronic bronchitis. Most of the patients with COPD can have both emphysema and chronic bronchitis changes. Now let's try to understand what are the symptoms of COPD. There is obstruction to air entry, which can lead to breathlessness or shortness of breath. There is also difficulty in taking deep breaths. There can be wheezing sound produced. This is something like a whistling sound produced when you are taking breaths through a straw. In patients with chronic bronchitis, there can be cough with excess mucus production for more than a few months. There can be frequent respiratory infections. Also, there can be cyanosis, which means bluish discoloration of nails and lips. This symptom is frequently observed in patients with emphysema. COPD can cause pulmonary hypertension, meaning increased blood pressure in blood vessels of the lungs, which eventually leads to right heart failure. There is also increased risk of secondary infections like pneumonia. There is decreased oxygen supply, which can cause lethargy, and also there can be altered sensorium due to increased blood carbon dioxide levels. Now, how is COPD diagnosed in people? It can be diagnosed by simple pulmonary function tests by spirometry. These tests also help in evaluating how much is your lung capacity, how much of your lungs are affected. Other tests like chest X-ray, arterial blood gas analysis can also be done. Lastly, is COPD curable? Unfortunately, no. COPD is not reversible, but COPD symptoms can be controlled and progression of COPD can be prevented by lifestyle changes and also medication. Lifestyle changes include complete cessation of smoking and avoiding exposure to secondhand smoke and other air pollutants. Medications like bronchodilators are given to relieve the spasm in bronchi, and also corticosteroids inhalational are given to reduce the inflammation in bronchi. In severe cases, supplemental oxygen therapy is given to maintain the saturation levels between 88 to 92%. Vaccination against flu and pneumococcal infections is also very important. Dietary modifications are done to maintain muscle mass and weight. Hope this video helped you in understanding what are the symptoms of COPD and whether it is curable or not. If you have had a cough for more than a few months or feel breathless because of daily chores, try to consult with a doctor before it gets complicated.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.